A 2010 Harley-Davidson Softail Fat Boy is next. Show you the mileage in a second. I'm going to show you what's wrong with this bike. It's got pitted forks, and the wrap on the exhaust system is kind of frayed. I'll show you that in a minute. While we're here, we'll get the miles. 97.62, under 10,000. Bike just came out of detail, so it looks great. Color is black denim. And here's the frayed pipe wrap I was referring to. A little bit of rust on the end of the pipe. Bike has a stage 1 kit, high volume air intake, computer flash, 2-in-1 performance exhaust. And for the most part, looks spectacular. Play a little music for you here. If it was in neutral. Yeah, there's neutral. And we'll come back over here. Definitely louder than stock, but not obnoxious. Bike could look awesome in your garage. First step is a test ride at North County Indian Motorcycle in San Marcos.